What are the best schools in Burlington and where are they found? Well, in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the top 25 elementary schools and the top 8 high schools you're going to be finding in Burlington. And these are not based off of the current rankings the Fraser Institute has on their website. Rather, instead, we're going to be looking at the historical data and taking the average over the last 5 test results, giving you what schools are consistently ranking in the top of Burlington. Now, to give you a perspective as how much the Fraser Institute rankings can vary on a year-to-year basis, the current #1 school at the time I'm recording this is Polly Johnson Public Elementary School with a score of 8.3. But if we take the 5-year historical data of this school, it does not even crack our top 25 list. So if you want to learn where the best elementary schools are, where the best high schools are, keep on watching. And I'll be also sharing where you can find a bunch of additional resources to do more research, get the catchment maps, all directly from the sources from the Halton District School Boards. Now, if you don't know what the Fraser Institute ranking is, what it does is it puts all the provincial standardized tests that happen in grade 3, 6, and 9 into an index. And it's out of 10, but the provincial average is 6. So anything rated above a 6 is considered above the provincial averages. And in total in Burlington, you're gonna find 42 different elementary schools, of which 34 of them were rated above the provincial average. And then in total, you'll find 8 high schools in Burlington, all of them rating above the provincial average. Now, of course, while academic performance is a huge factor in choosing which schools you want your kids to attend, I'd recommend reaching out to the actual individual schools themselves, seeing what they can do other than the academic performance, from just the accommodations, the support, if your kids have learning disabilities, to the extracurricular activities and more. So make sure you keep on watching to learn where you can get all the resources to reach out to the individual schools. Now, if you're new here and want to learn everything about what it's like living in Burlington, Hamilton, Oakville, make sure to hit the subscribe button. My name is Matthew, the founding realtor of the Living in Hamilton channel and team. And for the past couple of years, we've been helping families like yourselves relocate here, buy a home in the neighborhood that is right for them and their family. So if you're thinking about making the move, whether it's in 60 days or in 6 months, send me and my team a message today. Otherwise, let's just jump on into it and first discuss the top elementary schools in Burlington over the past 5 rankings. Alrighty, so kicking us off with the 25th school on this list here and still above the provincial average, so an amazing school for your kids to attend, is the St. Patrick Catholic Elementary School with an average ranking over the past 5 years of 6.44, with only a slight dip below the average in 2019. Then in 24th place, you'll find Florence Mears Public Elementary School, found in the Millcroft neighborhood, with an average ranking of 6.56. Then in 23rd place, you're going to find the Tom Thompson Public Elementary School with an average ranking of 6.62. And while it had stronger performances in 2017, 2018, and 2019, it is still a great school today. And then tied for 22nd place, we have the St. John's Catholic Elementary School, as well as the St. Paul's Catholic Elementary School, both averaging out to an average ranking of 6.72. Then in 21st place, you'll find Alexander's Public School in the Orchard with an average score of 6.78. Then in 20th place, you'll find the Glenview Public Elementary School with an average rating of 6.82. Then as we enter the top 20 is our first school, the Bruce T. Lindley Public Elementary School with an average rating of 6.94. And as you can see, in the recent years, has really increased its performance on the Fraser Institute Index. Then in 18th place, you'll find the Sacred Heart of Jesus Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 7.14. And as you can see, the weaker years of the performance of the Fraser Institute are behind them, and some of the strongest years are yet to come. Then in 17th place, you'll find the Ryerson Public Elementary School with an average rating of 7.22. Then in 16th place, you'll find the John William Bocce Public Elementary School, as well as the St. Elizabeth Senton Catholic School, both with an average rating of 7.26. Then in 15th place, you'll find the Orchard Park Public Elementary School with an average rating of 7.3 found in Orchard Park's neighborhood. Then in 14th place, you'll find the St. Christopher's Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 7.32. And as you can see, has had some great performance in the past and has recently rebounded from its low score in 2022. Then in 13th place, you have the C.H. Norton Public Elementary School in the Head Forest neighborhood with an average rating of 7.34. Then in 12th place, we have the Ascension Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 7.36. And in 11th place is the St. Timothy Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 7.5. Now, before we jump into the top 10 elementary schools you're going to be finding in Burlington based on the last historical data for the Fraser Institute, make sure you keep on watching if you want to learn where the additional information you can find on any of these schools we are talking about today. But then in 10th place, you'll find Maplehurst Public Elementary School with an average rating of 7.5. And then in 9th place, you'll find Paul A. Fisher Public Elementary School with an average rating being 7.66, and in the 2023 rankings was one of the top rated schools in all of Burlington. Then in 8th place, you'll find the Pineland Public Elementary School with an average rating of 7.84. Then in 7th place, you'll find my old elementary school, Charles R. Baudouin, in the Millcroft neighborhood with an average rating of 7.92. Then in 6th place, in the Alton Village, you'll find the Alton Village Public Elementary School with an average rating of 7.96. Then in 5th place in Burlington, you'll find the Canadian Martyrs Catholic Elementary School with an average rating above 8 at 8.06. Then in 4th place, you'll find the St. Anne Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 8.18. Then in 3rd place, taking home the bronze medal for the historical data on the Fraser Institute, is the Renaissance Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.2, which also happens to be its most recent rating. Then in 2nd place, you'll find St. Raphael's Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 8.22. And then the number 1 rated elementary school in all of Burlington for the last 5 rankings that we have is Jaunty Tuck Public Elementary School with an average rating being 8.5, which is absolutely exceptional. Now, if you're thinking about making the move to Burlington and want to make sure you're finding the right neighborhood, send me and my team a message today. We'd be happy to help you out with your search. But if you want to learn where you can find more information on these schools, make sure you keep on watching. But first, let's discuss now the top 8 high schools you're going to be finding in all of Burlington. So the 8th rated high school in Burlington happens to be M.M. Robinson Public High School with an average rating being 6.24. And as you can see, has continuously improved over the years. Then in 7th place, we'll find Notre Dame Catholic High School with an average rating of 6.94, with the most recent ranking beating its average and the highest one yet at an average score of 7.4. Then in 6th place, you'll find the Assumption Catholic High School with an average rating of 7.1. Then in 5th place, you'll find the Burlington Central Public High School with an average rating of 7.12, with the most recent rankings being one of the highest at 8.3. Then in 4th place, you'll find Corpus Christi's Catholic High School with an average rating of 7.4. Then in 3rd place, taking home the bronze medal for high schools in Burlington, is Aldershot Public High School with an average rating of 7.52, and the most recent ranking also being 8.2. Then in 2nd place, the newest high school on this list here is Dr. Frank J. Hayden Public High School in the Alton Village with an average rating of 7.56. And then rounding out the number 1 rated high school in all of Burlington and my old alma mater, Nelson High School, with an average rating of 7.78. So if you want to learn where you can find all the information from the Halton District School Board and the Catholic Halton District School Board, down below you can find a link to get access to our essential homebuyer starter kit. This here will include a variety of links connecting you directly with each school board so you can vet them yourself, talk to the teachers, talk to local residents who live there, as well as learn all the additional information that they have on the extracurriculars and the additional accommodations they can do. Now, if you're thinking about moving to Burlington but don't know what the pros and cons are, you need to know before moving there. That's the next video I recommend you go take a look at. So you can find that video right here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.